Hey traders, quick update on Enjin coin. ENJ just pumped 150% in the last 7 days, now trading around $0.076. Huge move, but here's the catch. In the last 24 hours, trading volume is dropping. So what's next? This could be a healthy pullback before another move up, or a bull trap where momentum is fading. If price holds strong and volume comes back, bullish momentum continues. If price drops with weak volume, expect a pullback. Right now, it's a wait and watch zone. Stay sharp, don't chase, let the market confirm the move. I've just shared some premium trading signals on my Patreon, including key support zones and realistic target levels you don't want to miss. If you're new, there's also a starter plan for just $10, a simple way to test things out. And if you've got a chart you want analyzed, just DM me anytime. Happy to take a look. Check the link below for full details. Sign me, and let's grow together. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.